Hi, this is Rumi and this is the second video of my YouTube series Facebook PHP SDK version 5. And in this video I'm going to talk about how you can log in with Facebook using latest Facebook SDK for PHP, which is the version 5 for now. So let's get started. In the last video we talked about the introduction and the things that we need. So everything is set, everything is okay, like the hosting. If you're going to integrate Facebook with your website, like login with Facebook and getting the basic information of the user and blah blah other stuff, like you could sign up users using Facebook login feature, then you don't really need the SSL hosting. But if you're going to make a Canvas app, Facebook Canvas app, then you must have a SSL hosting. In the next video we'll talk about how to log in with Facebook on a Facebook Canvas app. But in this video it's all about integrating Facebook with your custom website. Okay, hosting is okay, hosting is working, and the text editor is okay, and let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to go to developers.facebook.com. There you need to go here and add new app, and you could select the advanced setup for much more cleaner way or organized way. Display name, the name of the application, whatever. A unique identifier for your app, it's optional. We are going to integrate Facebook into our website, so we don't really need the namespace for this. Choose any category like education or whatever. Create app ID, and there it's a security check. Dog. Okay, that's not a dog. Dog. There it is. There it is. Submit. That was a weird security check. Okay. Come on. There we go. The application is up and running in the developers section. Here's the app ID that we need, the graph API version, the oldest version, and the minimum version that we could use. It's the latest, by the way. And the app secret. That's the graph API version, that's 2.4. The SDK version we're going to use, it's the version 5. Okay, the app secret, we also need this. To show this, we need to type in the password for security reasons. There it is, all three values we need to set up the application. It says that not available to all the users because your app is not live, but the admins and the developers could test this app, so we don't really need to make it available for the users. Okay, go to settings and set your website URL here, app domains. I'm going to test it on my website. And here you need to select not the Canvas, actually website platform. Type in your website, press enter to save the settings. Everything is okay. So now what we need to do is to go to developers, go to this link. I'm going to share this link in the video description. It's the latest version of Facebook SDK for PHP. So scroll down and you'll see this link with green background and white font. Just click on this to download the SDK. I've already downloaded it. Open folder. There it is. I've extracted it, and here's the extracted file. And this is the folder that we need. src, which means source. You need to upload this to your website root directory or any other folder. For testing purposes, I made a directory. For testing purposes, let's make a directory and name it as FB test. Here we go. This is the Well, there you need to upload the source folder, and I've already uploaded the source folder, which we downloaded from the official Facebook website. You just need to upload the source folder, that's it. After that, you need to create a new file here, index.php. Right click, view, and add it. Now Facebook actually have a clean explanation about how to get started, but there are a few things that we that doesn't work very well. So I've created my own example for this. For that, you need to go to github/Suhaib and there you just need to go to Facebook PHP SDK version 5. I will also share this link in the description. This is login on website, get basic info. If we go for the raw file, there it is. Just copy all and paste it in the index.php file, in this file. Everything is already set up. If you just upload the source folder, everything, you don't need to change anything right here. We are actually adding the autoload.php file, which will add all the classes that we need to get started. Okay, the minimum version we could use was the 2.4. You need to change it here, the app ID. There it is. Go to developers.facebook.com/app section and select your application and copy the app ID and paste it right here. And the secret, paste it here. That's it. Everything is okay now. Now scroll down to the end and you just need to change your website URL here. And I'm not in the root directory, so I'm in the fp test directory and index.php file. There it is. So if we save this file and upload it, so let's have a look at this. Just go to your application. There it is. It says login with Facebook. Once we click on this link, it's gonna take us to this page. Well, this area is all about the screen resolution, so you don't need to worry about this. And click, the user clicks OK, and it takes back to the website and says that logged in as Suhaib. It just got my basic information like name of the logged in user. If we refresh it, we're still logged in. That's it. If we just close the window and get back to the application, whoa, it says a login with Facebook. Well, it should say that you're already logged in. That's weird, seriously. It doesn't ask us again about the login setup and all about that. Let's come back. Logged in as Suhaib. Sorry about that. It must be some kind of a. There it is. This is what I was talking about. That it should let the user logged in for a long time, because we have set up a few things right here. So let's talk about the code here. Well, if we copy the code from the Facebook developers official docs, they don't even have this line session_start, but this says that you need to add it. So there are many things that we had to add in, so I created my own example and uploaded it to the GitHub for your comfort. Okay, the first thing we are using this session, so we need to add in the session_start, and then we need to add all the classes using the autoload.php file. That's the easiest way. Otherwise, we have to add the other classes one by one. And here it is. We are in the Facebook namespace, and we are creating an instance of Facebook class, which is related to the Facebook namespace. If you don't know anything about namespace, then watch the first video. Okay, so we are creating an instance of Facebook class, and it requires 3 arguments. The first one is app ID, app sequence, and the default graph version. So we added all 3 arguments, and we are assigning it to the FB. Okay, so then we are using the helper, which is also which is a method of the Facebook class get redirect login helper, which is used to get the access token. So we are getting it from the $FB, and we are looking for, this is the simple code. I don't need to explain all of these. Like, we are checking if the user is already logged in, then just assign the access token to the logged in user's access token. If it's not, then make the new access token. All about that. So once we check if the access token is set, then we show the user that you are logged in. Here I did the same thing, like making the default access token related to the logged in user's access token. Well, you don't need to worry about all of these codes if you see this as a complicated code, because it's gonna be the same in all the video tutorials. And there it is. We are getting the information about the user from the $FB. We are using the get method and /me. It means that we are getting the user of the logged in user using its access token, using his access token. And there, once we get that, it shows us, and we got the information in $user node, and there it is. And using the get name method, we are getting the name of the user. We can also use the get ID, like here, get ID, to get the ID of the user. And there it is. We'll talk more about in the next video that how to get the email and all about that. And here we, as you can see, it's the else. If the access token is set, then do this. If it's not, then just let the user log in with Facebook. As you can see, we are logged in, so it says that logged in safely. As if the user is not logged in, the user will see login with Facebook link. So there it is. It's a basic example that how to get started to log in with Facebook on your custom website. So in the next video, we'll talk about how to set up the Facebook Canvas app. And well, that's another platform. Like, this is making integrating Facebook into your website, and that's another platform which works on the website servers and all about that. But for that we need SSL hosting. So if you have any question about this video, you can ask me in the comments, and I will answer your questions. Well, thank you very much. And one more thing is that all the links related to this video will be shared in the video description. Thank you for watching this video.